There we go. Yeet. And then turn around on him. You take that with you, my boy. Take that with you, my boy. I see the other one. But they can't keep up though. See, that's the thing. I just wanted to blow up the first one. I don't have to engage with them. It's not like they can keep up for real. It's like a person trying to rob Usain Bolt with a knife. Like, sure, he could try to beat them up even if he can. They can't catch him though, so why? Like, what is he going to use his hands for when his feet? I said feet. When his feet are so efficient.